Hi guys, so now I'm on my way to Gothenburg, but first I will stop in a city between here and Gothenburg to meet a very nice couple who accepted to take pictures of best pastries and food we're making at the cafe. So they will take pictures that we're gonna use for the book I'm gonna release hopefully in 2 months. I was working pretty much on that book. It's not done yet, but I really hope to be done with it before the summer, and then you will have some delay for the printing, of course. But I hope everything, included edition, will be done before the summer. So there's nice people are gonna help me to shoot what we're making in the cafe and what gonna be in this book. So it's approx between 18 and 25 recipes that we'll give, and I hope they will do a good job, but I'm sure about that. So I'm still on my way to Gothenburg. I just met this very nice couple who accepted to take the pictures for the cafe. So I'm gonna prepare all the recipes we're gonna have in the book. They will come one full day from the morning until evening. Like this, we have several lights, and then we're gonna shoot everything, put it on the book. I will have nice recipes written just on the other page, and as soon as I can, I release the book, and we're gonna try to have a nice releasing day. I don't know what we're gonna do in the coffee place yet, but it's gonna be a nice moment, and I'm really looking forward to do that project. So this is basically what I'm doing now when I'm off. I'm preparing that book, and next month I will also start to prepare the real season, which is June until end of August. So I will show you little by little how I'm building this book, how I'm writing it, how I'm organizing it. It's gonna be amazing, and I think I'm gonna print like 500 books, but I don't think we're gonna sell 500, but it's just so nice to be able to make a book. That's the only thing, that's the most important thing, to do a book, to write this book. And then it will just be bonus if we sell a few. So that's really exciting. So I will talk to you later this week about that project and about what's coming up this weekend.